for the MLB intro.
Randy, our driver?
Yeah, so it turns out that they don't have to cut it off at all anyway, so
Cut
it's
what
gonna
off?
be okay. I'm just finishing a story that, you know.
What? I'm sitting outside.
How you doing there, Jahil?
I'm pretty good. How about
Give
yourself?
us a little intro about what we're about to see this morning.
Well, we're about to run over to the motion capture studio and roll off a couple feet of film on one of our talents
Sucks to be him.
performing something for the
Yep.
end title of the opening
We're waiting for Daryl right
FMV.
now, so.
FMV.
Full motion video. I just learned that means the other day. Been doing it for about 8 months, but never knew really what it meant or what it stood for.
Not to be confused with the
Stone Temple Pilots. With who?
or the FMK,
Oh yeah, the FMK.
the famous vampire killers,
Oh yeah.
which is these guys.
Is that cell phone wired into like the network?
Hey, you done? Hey, well, let me take off and you have to hold it. Okay.
Getting critical on the
See ya.
time here. How are we looking on time, Randy?
That cell phone.
What time is it?
It's 10 to 13.
It is? All right.
Hey.
Wait up! Whoa!
You're going to hit that thing? Nope.
That's good. All right.
Yeah, I was hoping you'd fall off, but it didn't work.
Is your cell phone like totally tapped into like the network like you found?
Yeah, it's just a 900
That's pretty
megahertz.
cool. Does it work like anywhere though, or just around the buildings?
Just not the building. Like right here. It probably ring.
Is that Sony?
No.
Oh, okay. I thought everything good technology is Sony. I don't know why.
Yeah, up ahead. Whoa!
That's why my grass is dead right there.
It's all you, Jahil. It's all you.
What am I doing now? What am I doing?
You're singing songs like you're in the back of a hayseed picnic ride.
Kumbaya.
All my exes are from Texas. I don't know.
This is great, so we don't have any motor hum to drown out your beautiful
There's
octave.
deer in my beer.
There's a what?
A deer?
A steer in your beer?
A tear. Never heard that one? That's a classic.
This looks like one of those rap music videos where they got the guys hanging off the back of the convertible.
Getting jiggy with it.
Yeah, except we pull out and it's wide and you're in the back of a little electric cart cruising through Corpoville.
Corporal World.
Make
Corporal
it-
World
flap,
2000.
Flap your wings like you're flying.
No.
Or put your arms out like you're Superman.
I'll be Meg Ryan and what's it called?
Seriously. Put your arms out. Do a little quick Superman thing.
Okay.
Hold it. He's making the turn. Dude, that is classic.
Whoa.
Okay, guys hanging.
Probably back to his office.
All right. Watch out, Kayla. Teamwork.
I don't know what this is supposed to go around.
That's.
Hey.
Yes, thank you, Gina, for doing this.
This works as a trampoline too?
Yep.
Put the dog on. How you like these bows or something?
You're filming us too.
How are you guys tying this before?
I was putting little shoestring bows on them.
Just checking everybody's bow tying technique here. Everybody's got the wrong way.
That's true.
Got the rabbit in the hole. Got
Probably
the
some like Freudian whatever thing.
This isn't in my contract, is it? Bow tying.
Oh, we're pretty fast.
Some are faster than others. We'll see that in the tape afterwards.
Okay. Cool.
Over there, to your right. Oh. Make sure you scratch James's car real quick.
Watch the page!
Something funny about that.
Chest spreaders. Bring the chest spreader. See what we do with this.
Okay, move the ladder.
Match goer. See? Yeah.
The lights out here. What's happening? So what are we doing out here today?
I'm about to go play some basketball. That's what I'm about to do.
We are rolling. Can we do the step to the left when I say go? Yep. Roll. See that one? Yeah. That's your logo, right? Speed it up. Let's do the kiss the camera. 1 second here. Okay, action. That's so cute. Oh. Nice. Can you try that again?
Can we get him walking out of frame?
Yeah, we can do that.
On a medium close-up.
Okay. One more time, please. And then
Come on, no improvise.
one more time.
Stick with the script, John.
Everybody's a critic.
Okay. You're gonna walk off this time in a medium.
Walk off where? Into the camera?
Walk off to the left. Is that medium enough for you? Or you want me more medium?
A little tighter. Yeah.
Okay, action. From the top. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, Johnny, you still over there?
You want to come over here and kind of help a little bit?
Ah, it's a piece of shit.
Yeah, I got.
One more time, please.
Needs more green.
Alright, let's get a long shot of that just for safety. Yeah, I was thinking about that. It's kind of messy.
It's behind the scenes, man.
Whose monitor is this, ours?
Yeah, Don.
Pretty fast though. Key grip 1, 2.